Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I've got another unboxing for you guys. This time it is by Beautyfix for March. I've been really enjoying getting this box. There's products in here that I haven't tried before that I really do like. And there are sometimes, there's like, okay. But all in all, I really do like getting this box. It costs $24.95 a month if you get it a year subscription, or you can get the box that we're in, a one-time purchase of $34.95 if you like this month's box. It has at least 6 products in here, and the total should be more than the subscription itself. All right, let's go ahead and see what's inside this box for March. All right, here it is right here, and it comes with a little pamphlet that lets you know what this month's theme is and the products that are in here. And this month is Beauty Refresh. And also on the back, it gives you a little discount code for any products that you like in this month's box. Here's the code right here to get 20% off. All right, let us see what's in here. Spring is officially here. When you are decluttering your closet, which I have done, don't forget your beauty bag too. Ditch those expired skin and hair care products. Stock up on glow enhancers and buff away those dead skin cells you've accumulated all throughout winter. It's time to refresh, reorganize, and refine your beauty routine for the summer for the sunny months ahead. All right, the first product I'm going to pull out here is by Skin Cuticles, the CE Ferulic. A little sample size of this. This is really nice. It is pricey, but it's a very nice vitamin C serum. I really do like this one. I'm glad I got a travel size. It says here to enjoy the great outdoors without the threat of environmental damage. Next product here is by Murad Revitalize Recovery Serum for face and eyes. It says here to nourish your skin with vital nutrients while erasing visible signs of stress. Okay, we got another sample size of this product. Next we have something here by Hydropeptide Exfoliating Cleanser. All right. Energize and renew dull winter skin and start the season with a healthy glow. I love exfoliating cleansers. I hope this is not very harsh on the skin, so I can't wait to try this. Trying to smell it and got in my nose. It does smell clean. I like that. All right. Next, we have something here by Strivectin, the SD Advanced Intensive Concentrate for wrinkles and stretch marks. All right, yeah, I've got several of those stretch marks here. Step into spring with fresh and resilient skin from head to toe. All right, another sample size product. Next, we have Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder. Okay, nice size product of this one. It says here to tame tangles and add shine to lifeless hair with this pre-cleanse treatment. All right, you have a nice size product here by Color Wow, I believe that's the brand. The Ultimate Dream Clean Color Security Shampoo. Keep your new spring hair color intact with this hydrating sulfate-free shampoo. Yeah, and I do need to color my hair pretty soon. It's about that time. All right, here you have another sample size product here by Skin Inc. Vitamin C Serum. It says to achieve a radiant, fresh from vacation glow with this vitamin-rich serum. All right, and the last product here, I believe this is the full size. It is by First Aid Beauty. Eye Duty Triple Remedy AM Gel Cream. Break out your winter cocoon and revive tired eyes with this hydrating treatment. Really loving trying on new eye gels, seeing what works and what doesn't. I did find a couple that did not work for me last month, but let's see if this one here by First Aid Beauty will hydrate me. Hydrate underneath my eyes. Get 15 mils, half an ounce of product in here. I want to see how much this product costs. All right, this eye gel costs $36, so pretty much this covers the box itself and everything else is free, which isn't bad, and I do hope that this does give me some hydration. All right, we have 2, 4, 6, 8 products in this month's box, which is really nice. Really excited about the eye gel and the exfoliating cleanser and a couple of these vitamin C serums, especially this one here by Skin Cuticles. I need one for travel. Ooh, I was about to drop it. No. So this is really nice for travel. And you also have sample products here by Strivectin and Murad, and good size products for hair, which is really nice. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this month's Beautyfix unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.